Hey guys, Dr. Sarah here from Balance Within Physical Therapy. Wanted to share with you a brand new offer we're doing this month. We've never done this before, so I'm really excited. We are offering half off our myofascial release sessions. So that's a 55-minute visit one-on-one with our doctor of physical therapy, and we get to do hands-on work and help you get feeling your best. This is the John Barnes style of myofascial release, which is very near and dear to our hearts because this is the specialized hands-on treatment that helped my husband, Dr. Jeremy, get rid of his back pain and that crushing pressure feeling on his back after 20 years of trying all sorts of different things. So this is a big specialty of our practice. In fact, we're one of the only physical therapy clinics in the state of Wisconsin and even in the Midwest to really specialize in this. So we would love to help. It's great for people that are having chronic pain, really stubborn stiffness, tightness, crushing pressure, different places, or if you're feeling like you're getting temporary results with other styles. This is really gentle and feels great, it's yummy, and provides long-lasting relief. So great thing to try out. We have a limited number available, so go ahead and snag one. You are welcome to grab one of these sessions, whether you're a current patient of our practice or brand new to us. We'd love to see how we can help. So you can give us a call at 262-264-8701, or you can visit our website at balancewithinpt.com, and we'd be happy to chat and see how we can help you out. All right, take care. Have a great day.